life. We're living on the moon now.
Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits. Today we are in Italy. To be more precise, we are in Sardinia, here at a beautiful beach called Piscine. A fantastic place in the north of Sardinia. I'm still white as anything, as we've just arrived a couple of hours ago, and this is indeed the first few minutes we are enjoying here, along the coast of the Mediterranean.
Daddy, come in. Try it. The water's fantastic.
Leander, is it your first impressions of Sardinia? Our first real proper Italian lunch here in Sardinia, we'll have it at the Pasta e Vino place, and we're here with more new friends and of course our favourite ones here, the Baumgartners, and yeah, good to have everybody along. We're going to see quite a bit of stuff while we're here. We're going to actually travel from the North Olbia down to the south.
And this is the ticket. When we were driving over there, I saw this jutting out, and I didn't think I bet you it's over there.
The camera is a little bit shaky as Leander is filming at this moment in time. We are currently on the way to our next island. We're just having been on Santa Maria. Really lovely. Our lunch is now coming. Some local pasta. How do you like your boat ride so far?
So far it's very nice, very relaxing. Unfortunately, Matilda was stung by a jellyfish. Did not even know that there were stinging jellyfish around here.
Is it fun to eat on the boat? You like it? That's right.
Welcome to Matilda Visits.
What can you see down there, Matilda?
Fish to eat.
To eat? How big are they?
They're so big.
You're like a proper fisherman. The last destination with the boat today is La Maddalena, where we are right now. We're going to enjoy some fantastic gelato here together with Matilda and Leander. It's been a great trip with the boat, and the crystal clear water and the fish everywhere, and swimming and snorkeling and just the whole lot.
Fantastic, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
So Azim and Mariam wanted to get something for us to sit on, and this man came and is selling this thing. It's quite nice.
It looks like a family tree.
How much do you think it is?
I would say about 80.
25 euros.
Wonderful.
And he got it for 15. And I've now haggled and asked for a second one for 10 euros. I got got it.
Nice work, eh?
There you go.
See?
And my husband and this woman, they both guilt tripped me for being able to get it for 10 euros, and they said pay the man 15. And I'm like, no! That's the whole point of bargaining!
Wat heb je gevonden? Matilda visits here at the beach in Sardinia. It is so brilliant. We're loving the weather, the crystal clear water, the wonderful temperatures. And yes, having loads of fun building sandcastles and swimming in the sea. Great!
Why did we come here? We've always loved Italy, and then we were meant to go to Sicily, and then they were like, oh, let's join us in Sardinia.
And you guys are staying together in an Airbnb?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Right, we're doing that. Right? It's Grumpy Pots here. That's Nat. Nat.
So that's one of two Noahs here, isn't it?
Yes. It was going to be an Ilias at first. I was like, no. Because my nephew's called Ilias too. Hi, Leander. You've got sand on it.
Matilda visits Olbia. We are at the Mercure Hotel. And it is really nice here in the pool. We've had a fantastic day today at the beach. Do you remember what it was called, Martin?
Rena Maggiore.
Something like that,
Yeah.
wasn't it? Yeah. Then anyway, it was sort of left of Palau, which is up in the north of Sardinia. And right now we're just enjoying our evening. We're going to go for a lovely dinner in the town centre of Olbia. Our day in Sardinia just keeps getting better and better. We found this amazing place here in the street that is, full of locals, and we're going to have some fantastic Sardinian specialities. And just down there, don't know whether you can see it, but there is actually a party happening or something like that. There is going to be music and everything. We'll look forward to it. Which flavour are you having, my darling?
Creme caramel.
What did you get here, Matilda?
Chocolate gift play without a pen.
Matilda Visits says hello from the very heart of Sardinia. We are in Ortule, which is on top of the mountains between sort of the inland and the coast. We're about to head out to the coast to see some amazing caves. But first we're having a bit of a break here on the top of the mountains. What a fantastic view.
I like a carrot.
You love carrots?
Yeah. That's how you can reach a little bit. Wow.
So Melinda, this is the way you want to travel next time?
I think I would still get seasick on that. Oh, that's so funny.
As you can see here at Matilda Visits, the food is not made here but Leander from Leander Life, which by the way you find a link to it in the description below. Pictures. We've got Parmigiano and
Pecorino.
Pecorino cheese. This one is better? Yeah, take the other spoon, that's a good
Buon appetito.
Grazie mille.
That's perfect size for you, isn't it, darling?
Vad sa du på?
Is it Bambini or Bambino?
With Matilda Visits, we are in the very oldest part of Cagliari. This is the walled, fortified section of the old town. And it sits right on top of this hill, overlooking the sea and the newer parts of Cagliari. It is absolutely astonishing in here. Very, very steep, and we have to push the pram and the Cadillac hits up the hill. But look at this, very narrow street with balconies and washing hanging everywhere. It looks great. As mentioned in other episodes, one of our top tips for things to do with kids in foreign cities is to take one of these little ride-along trains. A great way to see the city centre, a great way to get around. Your kids will stay with you wherever you go, and it tends to be quite affordable as well. This one was €8 per person, and the kids are free. Dat is vliegen. Is dat een taal? Looks like a troll. We are here on the beach in Cagliari and just enjoying the last few rays of sunshine. Fortunately, tomorrow morning it is time for us to head back to home. What are you doing?
I'm making a big oven in the same place. Wait. Alright, the watermelon ticket 3 is ready. Oh, it's hot, I have to use my spade. That was it from Matilda Visits in Sardinia.
Very good, cuddly girl. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We say goodbye from Italy.
Thank you very much for watching Dubai.
Actually, yes, that's another video that's coming out any day now.
Watch Leander live. Beauty Leander.
I agree with you, Leander. Do watch Leander live.
Thank you for watching Matilda Visits.